Pi Leh Lagoon is indeed beautiful, but my experience visiting there wasn't entirely enjoyable. Therefore, I'd do something differently next time. Find out about my experience so you know what to expect. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm here to guide your travel, give you some tips so you know what to expect and can plan for a better travel experience. They sell Pi Leh Lagoon as one of the most impressive sites on Koh Phi Phi Leh, perfect for snorkeling, natural lagoon paradise, one of the most breathtaking locations in Thailand. The Pi Leh Lagoon is indeed beautiful, but I went there with a tour group at peak time and it was tainted by noise and busyness and an element of danger whilst in the water. The only way to get to Pi Leh Lagoon is by boat. The popular lagoon is located on the uninhabited island of Koh Phi Phi Leh, one of the Phi Phi Islands in the Andaman Sea in Krabi, Thailand. If you're on a tour to Maya Beach, the tour will visit Pi Leh Lagoon too for a swim and a snorkel. You can tour to Maya Beach and Phi Phi Leh Island from Phuket, from Krabi, or from Phi Phi Don, like I did. I took a longboat tour from Phi Phi Don as I was staying there 4 nights. After visiting the beautiful Maya Beach, we visited Pi Leh Lagoon for snorkeling and swimming. First, we stopped near the entrance to go snorkeling. We climbed out of the longboat, but we had to keep within 3 meters of the boat or else you'd be run over by one of the other many boats passing by. Therefore, we snorkeled in a very small area. The water was 1 to 2 meters deep above the coral, so no standing up or touching the coral. You needed to be a confident and strong swimmer. Underwater, the coral and the fish were beautiful. It was amazing. Head up above the water and the noise was insane from the motors and an element of danger to make sure you were not going to be hit by another boat. Let's not even mention the oils and the fuels from all those boats. I've done a lot of snorkeling throughout Australia, including the Great Barrier Reef, also at Hawaii and Fiji, but this was the most dangerous and noisy snorkeling ever experienced. After snorkeling, the boat went around and found a spot in the middle of the lagoon for us to get out and swim and play in the water. The bottom was sandy there and it was shallow. I could stand up. The longboat stopped in the middle of the lagoon. It did not get to see the edges or the cliffs up close, nor any of the beaches. It felt a bit chaotic in there. In reality, in my experience, I had a really hard time with the noise and the many boats that were very close to me and other people in the water, making it a bit dangerous. I'm a bit safety conscious. Looking at the surrounding limestone cliffs, it was beautiful and the clear water was beautiful, but the sound of the boats was a bit much and not at all peaceful. In addition to the beautiful landscape, it's very interesting and very entertaining watching people on the bow of their boats getting their perfect pose for their perfect Instagram shot. Apparently, this is the place to do it. I'm so very grateful that I did come here and I did experience this place. To visit Maya Beach, you must be on a pre-booked tour. It's a rule, but you can come by private boat to Pi Leh Lagoon. Therefore, I think if you're staying on Phi Phi Don, it would be a good idea to hire a private boat to come here early before the tour crowds, so you can look around the lagoon more, go near the edges, go near the beach, and it will be a bit quieter, I'm sure. After Pi Leh Lagoon, the boat went to the Viking Caves on Phi Phi Leh Island. You cannot go in the caves. The boat just goes past for a couple of minutes and that's it. On a private boat tour, you may be able to stop here a few more minutes for a longer look and a closer look. That could be better for next time. Happy travelling!